जय हिंद दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सबका शार्प स्टेपर कम्युनिटी में। सो वी डिस्कसिंग द मिसलेनियस पोर्शन एंड द लास्ट चैप्टर ऑफ द पॉलिटी घटना चक्र, और आज हम स्टार्ट करेंगे विद क्वेश्चन नंबर 31। इसके अलावा देखिए 5 प्लेलिस्ट कम्प्लीटली अवेलेबल हो चुकी हैं अब आपके लिए। हिस्ट्री, इकोनॉमिक्स, इकोलॉजी, जोग्राफी एंड जनरल साइंस एंड करंट अफेयर्स में आई दृष्टि घटना चक्र करंट अफेयर्स का जो भी लेटेस्ट एडिशन था वो हमने डिस्कस किया हुआ है। So without wasting much time, let's start with question number 31. 10th December is celebrated as. So it is celebrated as Human Rights Day every year, and it commemorates the day on which the United Nations General Assembly adopted the Universal Declaration of Human Rights in 1948. In 1950, the Assembly passed the Resolution 423V inviting all the states and interested organizations to observe each year 10th December as the Human Rights Day. The World Health Day is observed on 7th April 2000, UN Day on 24th October and Labor Day on 1st May. Next, same question है फिर से। 10 December 1948 is being decided as the Universal Declaration of Human Rights Day adopted by the United Nations. Same question again, 10th December. Next, the concept of human rights primarily emphasizes on dignity of man as a human being. Dignity of man as a human being, right? Other than fundamental rights, which of the following parts of the Constitution of India reflects the principles and provisions for the Universal Declaration of Human Rights? So preamble, DPSP, fundamental duties, कौन सा इनमें से है जो reflect करता है? So all of them are actually reflecting the provisions of human rights. According to Article 3 of UDHR, everyone has the right to life, liberty and security of person. So it is reflected in the preamble and the fundamental rights of the Constitution. 26 article of UDHR बोलता है that everyone has right to education. Education shall be free at least in elementary education and fundamental stages. Elementary education shall be compulsory. Technical and professional education shall be made generally available, and higher education shall be equally accessible to all the basis of merits. It is being reflected in Article 45 of the DPSP. And Article 29 of UDHR says that everyone has duties to the community in which alone the free and full development of his personality is possible. It is reflected in the fundamental duties of the Indian Constitution. Next, the concept of right to service. It originated in Great Britain. Right to service originated in Great Britain. It refers to the laws which guarantee the time-bound, they guarantee the time-bound delivery of the goods and services and redressal of their grievances. Bill 2011 was an attempt to start such a law in India. However, it could not be passed. Notably, Madhya Pradesh is the first state of the country to implement the Right to Services Act on 18th August 2010, and Bihar is the second to implement on 25th July 2011. On the basis of year of starting, what will be the correct order from start to latest to the following awards? Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna, Dhyan Chand Award, Arjun Award and Dronacharya Award. So correct order अगर हम देखें, so Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award was started in 91-92. Dhyan Chand Award was started in 2002, Arjuna Award 1961, द्रोणाचार्य अवार्ड इन 1985. सो इसके हिसाब से अर्जुन अवार्ड आ जाएगा फर्स्ट नंबर पे, ठीक है। द्रोणाचार्य उसके बाद स्टार्ट हुआ इन 1985, देन राजीव गांधी अवार्ड इन 91-92 एंड ध्यानचंद अवार्ड इन 2002. When did the government of India establish the Independent Ministry for Women and Child Development? So it was Department for Women and Child Development was set up in 1985 as a part of Ministry of Human Resource and Development. Then with effect from 2006 30th January, department has been upgraded to a ministry. So basically the options were not available that way. So department जो था वो तो 1985 में बना था. Earlier it was under the Ministry of Human Resource and Development, MHRD के अंदर था. Which Ministry of Government of India is related for India's foreign trade policy? Foreign trade policy के लिए Commerce and Industry Ministry है. International Day of Non-Violence, it is observed on 2nd October on the birth of Mahatma Gandhi. By resolution on 15 June 2007, the United Nations General Assembly determined to celebrate the 2nd October as the International Day of Non-Violence. Who has authored Gandhian Constitution for Free India? So it has been authored by Shriman Narayan Agrawal. How many countries of the world have adopted compulsorily voting system? According to 255th report of Law Commission in March 2015, 28 countries around the world have adopted compulsory voting system, often starting at the age of 18. The Electoral College for the United States presidential election is comprised of, so it is comprised of none of the above which has been given. President and Vice President of America are not elected directly by the people. Instead, they are chosen by the electors through a process called Electoral College. Where does the first primary take place in the election of US president? So it took place in New Hampshire. First primary in the election of US president takes place in the New Hampshire and the Iowa states. The elections for the first primary are held about a year ahead of the presidential elections. Conventionally, the process of election for the president starts from here. The Electoral College is the mechanism established by United States Constitution for the indirect election to the president of US. नेक्स्ट देखते हैं. In which country the presidential form of government was first formed? So it was formed in USA. देख लिया हमने. Where was the concept of written constitution born? So it was born in US. Which of the following may be considered a pressure group? Pressure group इनमें से क्या हो जाएगा? तो देखिए members of trade union, ये एक pressure group है. A pressure group क्या होता है? It is described as an organized group that does not put off candidates for election but seeks to influence the government policy or the legislation. Now these groups can also be described as interest groups or lobby groups etc. Trade unions, farmers organization, women organization, business organization, ये सब pressure group में आते हैं. Larry Pressler is associated with ending of US sanctions on military assistance to Pakistan, to strengthen the cordial relation between US and Pakistan, criticizing the proposed military help to Pakistan by Clinton administration. So ये कौन थे? ये US senator थे who brought up a Pressler amendment in 1986 to link US assistance with nuclear non-proliferation, and he criticized the US assistance to Pakistan by the Clinton administration on the ground of Pakistan's involvement in the nuclear proliferation. Pivot to Asia is the strategy of the foreign policy of, so it is the strategy of foreign policy of USA. Pivot to Asia. CIA is the intelligence agency of, it is the intelligence agency of USA, Central Intelligence Agency. Which of the following is not associated with NAFTA? So Great Britain is not associated with NAFTA. NAFTA is an agreement signed by Canada, Mexico and United States. It came into force on January 1st, 1994. The parliamentary form of government first developed in Britain. Parliamentary form of government first developed in Britain. Indian parliamentary form of government has been taken from the British Constitution, in which the king or the president is nominal head. Actual executive power is vested in the parliament or the cabinet. Which of the following is the center of British newspapers? So Fleet Street is the center of British newspapers. Fleet Street in central London, England was location of many newspaper offices. Till 1980, many newspapers published from Fleet Street. The last newspaper often removed from the Fleet Street was Office of Reuters News Agency in 2005. Where was the Festival of India organized for the first time outside India? So it organized in 1982 in Britain. Consider the following statement. The Parliament of Russia is called a Federal Assembly. The Council of Federation is the lower house of the Russian Parliament. The name of the upper house of the Russian Parliament is State Duma. देखिए पार्लियामेंट जो है रशिया का उसको फेडरल असेंबली बोलते हैं, ये वाला स्टेटमेंट सही है. लोअर हाउस को बोलते हैं ड्यूमा और अपर हाउस को बोलते हैं काउंसिल ऑफ फेडरेशन. ठीक है, सो ये इंटरचेंजेबली लिखे हुए थे. Next is TASS is the news agency of. TASS is the news agency of Russia. It is the official news agency of Soviet Union until 1991. After the disintegration of Soviet Union in 1991, a new name was given to the Russian news agency. It was ETOTASS, known as the Information Telegraph Agency of Russia, Telegraph Agency of Soviet Union since 1992. Chinese Parliament is known as National People's Congress. National People's Congress. It has 2980 members presently and it is the biggest parliament in the world. However, in practice, it is just a rubber stamp legislature which approves the decision of the Communist Party of China. The political leadership of which country is known as princeling? So, the political leadership of China is known as princeling. meaning the party's crown princes and the descendants of the prominent and influential senior communist officials in the People's Republic of China. What is the name of China's news agency? China की न्यूज़ एजेंसी को बोला जाता है न्यू चाइना न्यूज़ एजेंसी. न्यू चाइना न्यूज़ एजेंसी. वॉट डज ISI स्टैंड्स फॉर? ISI का फुल फॉर्म क्या होता है? तो इसका फुल फॉर्म है इंटर सर्विसेज इंटेलिजेंस. इंटर सर्विसेज इंटेलिजेंस. Now it is the premier military operated intelligence agency of, so it is very famous these days and हमेशा से ही हमको पता ही था इसके बारे में, because it is none other than our neighboring country, that is Pakistan. So इसकी जो इंटेलिजेंस एजेंसी है पाकिस्तान की उसको बोला जाता है इंटर सर्विसेज इंटेलिजेंस ISI. नेक्स्ट, डॉन इज द न्यूज़पेपर ऑफ विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कंट्रीज? सो डॉन इज द न्यूज़पेपर ऑफ पाकिस्तान. It is a leading English newspaper of Pakistan. It was founded by Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah in Delhi, India on 26 October 1941. Then after partition, ये जो newspaper है Dawn ये पाकिस्तान चला गया था. What is Mossad? So Mossad is Israel's intelligence agency. Israel's intelligence agency is Mossad. It is responsible for intelligence collection, covert operations, and counter-terrorism. Next, the Berber speaking community, which often happens to be in limelight, lives in, so it lives in Algeria. It lives in Algeria. Berber speaking community. मैच करना है आपको प्रेसलर अमेंडमेंट, चकमा रिफ्यूजीज, पेरेस्ट्रोइका एंड 13 सितंबर 1993. सो देखिए इसका आंसर हो जाएगा B 4123. एक बार हम मैच कर लेते हैं इसको. ठीक है, प्रेसलर अमेंडमेंट्स इज अबाउट लिंकिंग अमेरिकन असिस्टेंस विद द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ न्यूक्लियर कैपेसिटी.